What's up, darlings? What's up? I got you right here. We right here. How you doing today? You ready to have some fun? My hand's a little shaky. I need to drink some more. Oh, you know what that means? Hydration. Hydration check. So get on that. I'll get on that too. But you're gonna have fun. I am about to leave in about like an hour or two to go to dinner. I have no clue what I'm about to do, but I want to do my makeup. So look at this cat. Let's bring her, come over here. Come closer. Wow, wow, flip. Baby. Easy baby. Welcome back to my channel, loves. Welcome back. Can I talk? I think I know how to do that. Anyways, welcome back. I don't know what order I'm gonna post this. It is 4:10. I have about an hour and a half until I need to be out the door for dinner, possibly, ish. So when's the best time to stress myself out about a part of this creative challenge process I'm doing? Then I do it right before I need to leave the house. I don't have like anything crazy to say because like I have no plan. I just know I'm gonna go in, we're gonna do a base first. Oh, get my face on, you know what I'm saying? And then fingers crossed that it's a one shot on the eyeshadow look. Because normally I test my lips out before, and technically by the time y'all see it, I've done the look like at least twice. So this time we're just going full on wing it. Full on wing it. So fingers crossed. Also, the vision that I have in my head, it's not giving Italian restaurant. It's not giving Italian restaurant at all. But do you think I can? Not once in your bit.
By the green flags, the way your heels clack, phenomenal, so fine. I stopped me in my tracks. I had to look back, love when our worlds collide. I replay the scene, your mystique demeanor got my attention, can't lie. I sip my drink and forget the reason for this evening outside. Take me high, take me home. No pretending I know what I want. Feel the beat of your pulse and it's pulling me right back to you. Oh no, take me home. Finally a moment on our own. Here breathing, I'm close and it's pulling me back to you. Work of art, I'm feeling ya. Got my reflection walking through the bar, and I got this feeling that I can't ignore. Slipping on my skirts when as I lock the door. Work of art, I'm feeling ya. Got my reflection walking through the bar, and I got this feeling that I can't ignore. Slipping on my skirts when as I lock the door. We can go offshore. Trailing down the curve and my back gets torn. Look into my eyes and then you mourn. All the bullshit from past love before. Come into my world, baby, explore. Giving you a love that's safe and is pure. Needed me and look, I'm here with the cure. Trailing past the glass and stop to adore. reflection walking through the bar. And I got this feeling that I can't ignore. Slipping off my skirt soon as I lock the door. Work of art, I'm feeling ya. I'm my own reflection walking through the bar. And I got this feeling that I can't ignore. Slipping off my skirt soon as I lock the door. loves me not, he loves me not.